Looking for the best cordless tiller to make your garden work easier this season? Today I'm ranking 5 popular cordless tillers from the most basic option all the way to the one that truly stands out. Coming in at number 5, we have the MZK SG-1401. This is the most compact option in today's lineup, and right away you'll notice that narrower 8-inch tilling width. That's the main reason it starts our ranking at the bottom. Now that doesn't mean it's a bad tool. In fact, for small flower beds or raised garden boxes, this thing is easy to handle and lightweight. The 360 RPM motor combined with 24 steel tines gives you enough power to loosen soil that's already been worked before. And I do like that it includes 2 batteries and a charger, so you can get started right out of the box without buying anything extra. Where it falls short is simple: coverage. Compared to the 9-inch machines in this list, you'll make more passes to cover the same space. If you're working a larger garden, that extra inch really starts to matter. It's also not designed for heavy compacted ground, so if your soil is tough and clay-like, you'll feel its limits pretty quickly. If you have a small yard, tight spaces, or just want something simple and affordable for light soil prep, this could still be a good fit. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products in this review at the best prices in the description right under the video. Now let's step things up a bit. At number 4, we have the Saker SK TC18B. Right away it improves on the previous model with a wider 9-inch tilling width. That extra width means fewer passes and faster work, especially if you're preparing a medium-sized garden. With up to 6.3 inches of depth, it digs slightly deeper than many entry-level cultivators. For turning over soil before planting vegetables or refleshing a flower bed, that extra reach can make a noticeable difference. It also comes with a battery included, so again, you're not hunting for extra accessories before getting started. But compared to the stronger options higher up in this ranking, the total included battery capacity is lower. That means less runtime when you're tackling bigger areas. And while it's solid for regular soil, it still isn't built for seriously compacted ground or rocky patches. If you want something a little wider and more capable than the first option, but still easy to manage and not overly heavy, this one makes sense. And if this review is helping you narrow things down, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future comparisons. Now let's move into the middle of the pack. In third place, we have the Alloyman AGTJ. This is where things start to feel more balanced. You're getting a 9-inch width, a solid 6.6-inch depth, and up to 360 RPM, which puts it right in that sweet spot for most home gardeners. Compared to the previous 2 models, this one gives you a bit more digging depth and a strong motor speed that helps break up soil more efficiently. It also includes 2 batteries, which is a big advantage for longer sessions. When one runs out, you swap and keep going. That kind of flexibility makes weekend garden projects much smoother. The only catch is that battery capacity can vary depending on the package, so it's not always crystal clear how long you'll get per charge. Still, in terms of overall specs, it's clearly more capable than the entry-level options and feels like a more serious tool for regular use. If you're someone who maintains a medium-sized garden and wants a good mix of power, depth, and included accessories, this is a strong middle ground choice. But we're not done yet. The top 2 bring something extra to the table. Taking second place, we have the Adotocam model. On paper, this one is impressive. A 7-inch tilling depth is the deepest in this entire lineup, and that alone makes it stand out. Add 48 steel tines and a 360 RPM motor, and you're looking at a machine that's built to really dig in. Compared to the Alloyman and Saker models, this one has the edge in depth and tine count, which can translate to better soil breakup and more aggressive cultivation. If your garden soil is tougher or hasn't been turned in a while, that extra inch of depth can make a real difference. The downside is simple. It's sold as a tool only. That means no battery or charger included. If you already own compatible 20-volt batteries, this could actually be a huge advantage. But if you're starting from scratch, that adds to your overall cost. So this is perfect for someone who's already invested in that battery system and wants maximum digging depth without jumping to a full-sized gas tiller. And now, let's look at the one that offers the best overall package. And finally, in first place, we have the SOARFLY GT02. This one wins because it offers the most complete out-of-the-box package for most homeowners. You're getting a 9-inch width and 6.6 inches of depth, which is right in that ideal range for home gardens. The 48 steel tines churn soil effectively, and what really pushes it up to the top is the included battery capacity. With two 4 amp-hour batteries, you get significantly more total runtime compared to most of the other models here. While the Adotocam has slightly more depth on paper, it doesn't include a battery. The SOARFLY, on the other hand, gives you strong specs and long runtime right away. That balance between performance and convenience is what makes the best overall choice in this comparison. If you want a cordless tiller that's ready to go, powerful enough for most backyard jobs, and built for longer sessions without constant recharging, this is the one I'd recommend most people start with. If you are serious about upgrading your garden setup, take a look at the top options using the link in the description under the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which one you'd pick for your yard.